Hi everyone, this is Valentine. Welcome back to my channel, and today I am so very excited to review an e-trike, electrical trike. This is a Mooncool TK1 folding electric trike, and this one comes in many different colors. I've got mine in gray, but it's available in 7 different colors like vibrant orange or serenity blue, you know, just inspiration. And as well as you can get it with many different tools. This trike is absolutely amazing, and honestly I never ride a trike before. This is my first electrical trike. I didn't even know these exist. So guys, let's get started with the detailed review because I cannot wait to tell you all of the details about this one. So guys, I'm so very excited to review this e-bike by Mooncool. What I've got is the TK1 folding electric trike. So it's not an e-bike, it's a trike because it has 3 wheels. And guys, all of the links are going to be down below in the description box to this video of mine, so be so very sure to check it all out. So this e-trike, yes, this is how you call them, e-trike, because of the 3 wheels once again. So this e-trike gives you safety, comfort, and accessibility. It comes with a helical type of a motor. It's featuring a 48 volt on 500 watt helical motor with a peak power at 750 watt and a whopping 55 Newton meters peak torque. With this e-trike, you can expect nothing less than a powerful and smooth type of a ride. Now, let's talk about the battery. This one is obviously battery powered, and it's equipped with a powerful Hailong Plus 48 volt on 15 amperes lithium battery. So as a result of that type of a battery, the trike gives a reliable power and an ideal solution for short commutes. Plus, the battery is removable, so you can take the battery out with you if you are scared that someone might steal it or something like that. Or as well as you can remove the battery to make your trike to be lighter in weight. The possibility of a removable battery adding a convenience and reliability to your trike. This trike works on a speed differential mechanism, so it comes with a rear differential mechanism which is enhancing the control and stability on the turns. So every time you need to make a turn, this key element on your trike is vital, and it's going to ensure a safe and secure ride on any electric trike. It has parking brakes. A parking brake is a safety device that prevents a trike from rolling. It is equivalent to the kickstand, and it increases the safety of the trike. This one has a folding structure, so this is how it arrived actually by mail. It's all folded and you need to unfold it. It folds so it can fit your trunk, as well as the folding design helps it to be easier to store because it's going to take just less room. The folding structure is definitely a convenient feature that makes a big difference for me, and it allows an easy storage and easy transportation for your trike. The foldable design makes this trike to be compact and makes it perfect choice for any type of an urban living. So if you are in the city, definitely you need any type of a bike. Any type of a bike out there must be foldable for you, because once you're in the city, space matters, as well as you do want to store your trike in an easy and convenient way. This trike is so cool that you even like having a turn signals, as well as you also have the horn. Thanks to these two, the turn signals and the horn function, it makes any ride on this trike to be safer, and it eliminates the risk of any type of an accident that can happen to you. These two features also improving visibility and promoting safety on the road. These features helps to communicate your intentions to other drivers and to other road users as well. All that for our safety. It's like a small car, so everyone can see where you are going. Absolutely love the turn signals, and the horn is obviously a must-have in every bike out there. It comes with a large front and rear baskets. So you have 2 baskets, and that's so very cool. You can put groceries into these baskets, you can put a baby, a toddler, or maybe a pet, and just basically ride your pets all around the neighborhood or go wherever you need to go with your beloved pets on one of the baskets. The large front and the rear baskets definitely providing a great storage space for any type of your belongings, whatever, for shopping trips or personal items, purses. These baskets are so very useful, like you have no idea how much I love these. Now guys, I am having this foldable TK1 for about 2 weeks now, and I go out with this trike every other day. I already made about 50 miles plus, and it was a super easy and enjoyable experience for me to use this trike. It was easy assembling and very intuitive and user-friendly type of instructions. When you assemble it, it's very clear what goes where and how to basically assemble your trike. Guys, I truly hope you enjoyed this video of mine. I truly hope it was helpful. Let me know your opinion down below at the comments. Be so very sure to check Mooncool out. They are having many different options. They are having many different e-bikes, e-trikes, tons of different types of accessories, as well as a variety of models. Well, guys, that was actually all for today. Be so very sure to check Mooncool out. I will leave you all of the links down below at the description box, as well as any other type of information like coupon codes, discounts, promotions, sales, and so very on. Any possible way to save some money of yours is gonna be listed down below to this video of mine. So be so very sure to check out the description box for more information that is gonna save you money once again. Well, guys, thank you so much for watching this video of mine. Subscribe to my channel, give this video a huge thumbs up, and I'll see you all in my next videos. I love you all. XOXO, Valentine.